Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanero 1067 in League of Legends. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens, in here, Riot, and uninstall Riot Vanguard. Uninstall, yes. It will pop up again, click yes, and let it uninstall. And after that is done, you wanna exit out of this, reopen Riot Client. And after the Riot Client opens, you want to click on League of Legends and click update, and it will install Vanguard. Click yes. It says installing Vanguard. After it's done, it says now your game requires the system restart, but don't restart just yet. Exit out of this. Go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this services.msc. Click OK. It will open this window. Press somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it. Click startup, switch startup type from manual to automatic. Click apply, click OK. Exit out of this, go back to search, find Windows Defender Firewall. Click allow another app, click change settings, click allow another app, click browse, click local disk C. You want to go to Riot Games, Riot Client, add the Riot Client to the list. Add, I already have it for you to add it. Go back to browse, local disk C, Riot Games again, League of Legends. You want to add the League client, the first one on the list. And you want to go back to local disk C, program files, scroll a bit till you find Riot Vanguard. And you want to add the VGC, Vanguard User Mode Service, add, okay, I already have it. And make sure you tick it for both public and private for all three. Riot Client and launcher. And you want to exit out of this. The second last thing you want to do is right click on Task Manager, go to Details, type in here VGC. You want to right click on it, click Set Priority to Real Time from Normal, and click Change Priority. And exit out of this, go back to search, type in system configuration, go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. Untick it, take it back again, click apply, click OK, and it will ask you to restart your PC one more time. And after you restart your PC one more time, your League of Legends should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanero 1067 in League of Legends. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to join the giveaway. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.